I gained 13.5k watch hours and over 9,000 new subscribers from just one single video. Like, this particular upload changed every single thing for my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us the exact same upload strategy that helped this video to really go viral. Most especially the title pattern, the description, and there was one particular logic that I applied that really made this video and also these other videos on my channel to blow up. Believe me when I say it's actually very simple, and if you can calm down and put them on your channel, you're going to definitely get the same results. Okay, so without much being said, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing I did is choosing a viral topic with demand. I noticed that one particular video topic was flying up here on YouTube. And aside that, I went over to my trend section in my YouTube studio and I typed exact same title, and I discovered that people were searching for it, most especially my audience. I also went over to the YouTube homepage. I made use of the search bar and I also found it there that people were searching. Like, it was more among the list of the video titles that YouTube listed. That was when I knew that this particular thing is trending and I really have to hop on it. So another thing that also pushed me to make this video was I decided to start going through my competitors, that is people that are in same niche with me, that is doing the same thing that I was is doing the same thing I'm doing. Then I discovered one channel. As of back then, this channel was on around 2,600 subscribers. So she also did this video, and under 5 days she got 20,000 views. Like, that particular video was one of her best performing video as of then. That was when I still knew that I need to hop on it. Now, what did I do? I calmed down and started preparing myself to shoot that video as soon as possible. I went over to ChatGPT. I made use of ChatGPT, TubeBuddy, and even Google to be able to come up with my own video ideas, with my own video keywords and the rest of them. So that was how I was able to finally shoot this video, and 2 days time I uploaded it on my channel. And also, another pro tips that I would like to give us today is, don't just copy trending topics in your niche. Try your best to always hop on a particular problem that people are trying to solve, because that was also one key strategy that made this my video blow up so well. People were searching for it back then, how to get views, no subscribers, no watch hours, and me hopping on it and being able to optimize my videos properly was what made mine to perform very well. So the second thing I did was crafting a magnetic title. I noticed that, okay, this is what people are searching for: how to get views, how to get watch hours, and also how to get subscribers. Do this, turn this off and turn this on. So I made sure that I properly optimized mine, and at the end of the day I came up with the title: no views, no subscribers, no watch hour, turn this on, 2024 update. It was just of recent that I re-edited it to 2025 strategy that works very best and very fast. Okay, and being able to use this particular title was what also helped the video to go extra viral, because the video was coming up on search results, coming up on Google. As of then, most of the comments I got were like, okay, I found your video through Google. I was just searching for how to get more views and more subscribers, and YouTube suggested your video to me. So being able to properly optimize a curiosity based title can actually help your video to blow up, because if you check it out, this title, anybody that sees this title that says no views, no subscribers, no watch hours, turn this on, would be curious, okay, what is this particular setting that I need to turn on in order for my video to get high visibility and to also go viral. This particular thing can work for any niche, okay, because I have also tested it on my lifestyle channel and I'm still able to get exact same results. So do not think that it is only for tutorial based channel. Okay, so the number 3 strategy I used was creating a high CTR thumbnail. See, one thing you need to learn today is that your title and your thumbnail should work like a couple. Okay, one should create curiosity and the other one should be able to create clarity. Okay, so being able to come up with a very high engaging thumbnail was also what helped that my video to perform very well. And yes, the number four thing and most important thing I did that actually made this video to blow up so well is video optimization. As a content creator, as a YouTuber, you need to learn how to properly optimize your video. Optimizing your video not only helps your video to go viral, but also give YouTube a detailed information on what your content is all about, and also the right viewer and the right audience that need to see the video. So being able to optimize my video was actually what helped this video to go extra viral. So now let's quickly head over to the video analytics of this my viral video so that you can be able to see the description I use and also the tags and hashtag. Okay, now from the screen here you can see the exact description I use. My description is also complementing my title and my thumbnail. See, if you're going to be making a particular video on how to bake a cake or how to fix an iPhone cord, your title should be talking about this iPhone cord, which is how to fix iPhone 7 or iPhone 12 cord. Then your thumbnail should also be speaking about cord. Another strategy is the first line of your description or the second line should also be talking about cord. Then after that, your tags and your hashtag, every single one of them should be talking about iPhone cord. There is no how you're going to properly optimize your video in this manner that it will not perform well. Even if it doesn't start performing well that minute, a lot of other things can also affect it, which I'm still going to be sharing it with us in my videos. But this is me trying to let you understand that if you're able to properly optimize your video, it simply tells YouTube that this is what this video is all about and these are the kind of audience you're supposed to push out this video to. So you have to learn how to properly optimize your video, and I have detailed tutorials on how to do this, which I have also shared in my previous video. You can do yourself a favor and kindly check them out on how to be able to come up with the best title, the best description, the best tag, and the right hashtag for your videos. Okay, so another thing also that I did that also helped this video to perform very well is adding it to a playlist. Playlist is going to help your video to get more recommendations on your channel. So adding this particular video to a playlist, adding it to an end screen and also YouTube card contributed to how well this video performed. So if you're able to learn and master how to properly set and optimize your video, they are going to start performing very well. Another thing I did as soon as this video was uploaded is sharing it to my community post, dropping a pinned comment, and also replying to comments. All these little features, they help your video to get discovered faster. I also splitted this video to like over 5 YouTube shorts and I posted them. Every single thing actually helped that video to blow up. But one of the most important things that also helped it is being able to hop on something trending. So it was after I did all these things on that video, that was what made the video to start getting much more visibility. One takeaway you need to take from this video is that some videos don't just go viral from the upload. It's the minute the algorithm starts to see fast engagement, that is when they will start pushing the video over and over again. And that thing also you need to understand is that the YouTube algorithm does not have feeling. It's not a human being that say, I love this channel, let me keep pushing the channel. No. They act based on the viewership and based on the engagement on your channel. So if I am to be starting a brand new YouTube channel today, every single thing I share in this video, I am going to be applying it. Not just only waiting till when something is trending. No, simply by checking your competitors' videos can also give you a clue on what you need to create. On my lifestyle channel, I gave a very good example about a finance lady on YouTube here. That is, she talks about how to make money. She said for every single viral video she have on her channel, she gets all the inspiration, all the ideas from simply watching her competitors. She maps out 5 people she watch on daily basis, and what is she doing? She recreates most of their viral videos, because these 5 people, they actually have close to 5 to 6 videos in common. So being able to understand what is going on, what is happening in your niche, and recreating it is going to really, really help your video to go viral, okay? Also, you have to understand that sometimes YouTube is all about strategy, because every single day people are coming here. Like, the app is oversaturated. So most of the time, do not just upload because you want to upload. Upload with strategy. It's really, really going to help you. And yes, this is going to be bringing us to the end of this particular video. So if you have any question, do well to go down to the comment section and drop it, and I'll be seeing you on the comment section. Just calm down, take your time, make your research, and do your thing. Okay, YouTube is not as difficult as we keep saying it, in as much as it's a very hard platform, but you can still navigate through. Okay, as long as I was able to do this, I believe that every single one of us out there, irrespective of your channel or your niche, you can still do it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. If you've not liked this video, please do well to like, drop me your comments, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always come back to premium content. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Lastly, go down to the comment section and tell me what you think about my new background. Is it beautiful? So thanks for watching. Bye.